I'm Ian Bakke. I'm with Bakke Ag Service. We do hauling for any outside materials, mining operations, but our main bread and butter is composting. We run 2 different compost facilities in Tulare County. We've been around since 1998, and we started to diversify and go into composting in early 2015. Our operations stretch from Tejon all the way up to Chowchilla, all along the mountainside to the east, and all the way out to the coast in the Pacific, Avila area, Paso Robles, as well as those areas. So wide range of mileage to stretch. We handle raw input materials from dairies, so that's anywhere from separator manure, sump manure, to corral manure. We're bringing it in and we're processing it. We have another offshoot in our green waste facility where we are processing agricultural green waste of different moisture levels, different varieties, and different densities. We take those multiple densities and moisture levels and combine them into one consistent compost product. As far as the edge goes, there is a need in our operation to consolidate space, to have more effective and efficient operations, and to substitute and or have backups in what we do. So what led us to this machine specifically was the efficiency on the fuel consumption, the ease of usage for the operator, and then furthermore, the space-saving technology in it. How we can take what you could do with the loader, we capitalize upon that, and our rough percentage of space savings is about 60%. With that, you also save a lot of time as far as your processes go, and furthermore, you're looking for a diverse piece of equipment. This piece of equipment is extremely diverse in the fact that not only you can handle raw product with ease, never jamming, never holding up. The power is unreal and unmatched. The ease of use for the operator is also extremely easy when you compare to other machines in its class. We do plethoras of operations with it, from blending materials, meaning bringing in fertilizers and gypsum, and from other mining operations to create one soil blend for our growers. And you can do that with this machine. Other machines, not gonna happen, but with this machine, we can blend, make a very nice homogenized product with it. So as far as bulk storage in composting, you're always concerned about fire hazard, and that's mainly your concern on raw material. So when we get raw material in, our process is pretty simple. We'll take the raw material, we'll put it in this mulch master, and what happens is it starts to break down and starts that initial composting phase. The way that it stacks is very good when you have a nice TP pile, as we see with this machine. The fire risk is drastically diminished, and we have yet to see a major issue with any fire. With this machine, it really helps us sleep at night, knowing that we've done not only everything we can, but we've been above and beyond as far as fire protection goes. Growers require efficiency as well as we do. So to effectively service these growers, we're gonna start blending products together. The best way we figured this out is we're gonna do everything on the ground, and then we're gonna load it into our mulch master here, and then that hopper feeds right in to an amazing tiller, and that tiller literally turns it, flips it, and acts like a blender, and then shoots it out. So by the time it hits the ground off the discharge belt, the material is completely homogenized and all the weights and measures have already been done. So as far as an efficiency standpoint on that, you're not gonna find a better machine out there to give you a more homogenized product by the time it hits the ground. So as far as composting goes, moisture is a very critical thing in the process. We always want to stay at a consistent moisture rating. Luckily for us, the Edge has the opportunity to add moisture as we go. and we can fine tune the moisture on the fly, which is really good. The spray bar in there is super effective, easy to use, and you can adjust it to see how much moisture you really want. This is a super simple system and it's really easy to maintain. We've never had an issue. We've been running 2,000 plus hours and never had an issue with this spray bar and the moisture content coming out. It's super easy to maintain, super easy to see where your moisture content is. As far as a mulch master goes, we're looking at a low-cost machine that gives a high rate of return. Between the space-saving technology in it, along with the efficiencies that are unmatched in the industry, I firmly believe that this machine will never become obsolete in our industry. It is part of a growth process here, and if we're not using that as an industry, we're probably not doing it right. GreenRock is a phenomenal company. We love doing business with them. John and Shay are just incredible guys to work with. Their team is incredible. Their service and their parts availability is second to none. Their parts can't be beat and their service on their parts can't be beat. It's really easy to call up, say, hey, I need this part for this wear item. When can you have it? Oh, well, we've got stockpiles here in California. And moving forward, when you do go to service, you're never more than one phone call away. The team at GreenRock is experts in their field. They not only sell the machine, but they service the machine. They know these machines in and out. They understand what problems could arise and how we should solve these problems. As far as their service staff goes, it's incredible. At least once a month, they're calling, checking in. At least once a month, they're actually boots on the ground at our facilities, talking with us, seeing, hey, what's going on with the machine? Is there anything we can do for you? They're strategically placed throughout California. Most of the time, they're 2 hours away from you, and they're gonna show up themselves and come out and help you out with whatever needs to go on with the machine.